first order of the day. Got a McDonald's, $8 going like 3 miles. Thank you. Was that a top dasher in the wild? That was very odd. Just got another McDonald's order. This one is $8.25 going 4.5 miles. $3.12.
$3.12?
Yes.
Have a good day. Thank you.
You too. Kind of wish that pickup was a little slower so I can warm up a bit inside. This might be a mistake, but I just picked up 2 Walmart orders. I think it was $30 going 12-ish miles for them both. You got 2 orders. Do you have them both?
I got one right here for it's weird.
Well, I'm not sure what happened, but they didn't have my second order. So hopefully this one was the one that was paying out like 20 bucks. It's a decent sized order, so it might be. Okay, thank God. That was the high paying one. Love that for me. And I just got my next order. This one is Black Bear Diner, $10.50 going less than 6 miles. Yep.
Have a good one.
You too. Total ended up being $11.25. Small hidden tip on that one. Next order just came in. It is a McDonald's, $8.25 going about 3 miles. Thank you. And I just got a Starbucks, $8.25 going 3.6 miles. Just took a shop and deliver, $8.50 going less than 2 miles, 4 items. This. Jesus Christ. Oh, don't tell me it is upstairs. Oh, of course it is. Always upstairs. Just got my next order. Black Rock coffee, $9 and some change going just under 3 miles. Nice. Just took this Muchas Gracias order, $7.75 going like 4 miles. I'm not sure how this location stays in business because I've never seen a customer here. Next up, we've got a shop and deliver for PetSmart, $13.25 going about 5 miles. Only 1 item. Where is this? There we go. It says got to be a tip 8, but on the off chance that it's not, I'm taking it. Chipotle, $11 and some change, going less than 2 miles. Thank you.
Drive safe.
Thanks. That took me like 10 minutes, if that. Next order finally came in. Got a Popeyes, $7.75, going less than 2 miles. Thank you. I just got this stacked order, Noodles and Company and Chipotle, $11.36, going just under 3 miles. I just hope that they're ready on time. Thank you. Thank you. You too. Let's go. Both ready on time.
Your destination is on the left.
And on that note, I'm gonna be calling it. I've gotten very unlucky today when it comes to waiting for orders and waiting behind other people. So I've been doing a lot of yelling off camera just because it's so frustrating, because I know I can't do much about it. So my throat is killing me at this point. Anyways, current time is 12:10. Current total is 131, and I have one Uber tip yet to come in. Should put me close to 140. Well, yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. I'll see you in the next one, and yeah, bye.